Good evening. On this day 28 years ago, the Great Storm hit southern parts of the UK, bringing gusts of more than 100 miles per hour. Meanwhile, a similar story at the moment out in the Western Pacific, a very strong typhoon gusting well over 100 miles per hour. That's set to make landfall across the Philippines over the next 24 hours, and rainfall being the main problem, with landslides and flooding likely here. Meanwhile, closer to home for the UK, our weekend is often cloudy but largely dry, with some glimpses of sunshine at times and one or two showers on the cards towards the southeast of England. And that's down to the fact that we've got a fairly slow-moving, weak weather front out across the near continent, bringing the showers in the southeast. But high pressure, the main driving force of the weather elsewhere across the country. So for the rest of tonight, we've got fairly cloudy conditions across the southern half of the UK, but further north, clearing skies for northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland. So it's here that we'll see the chilliest of the conditions, 7 to 10 in the towns and cities, but in the countryside near to freezing, even a few degrees below that across parts of Scotland. So some frost and some fog here first thing in the morning. Some of those fog patches could be fairly slow to clear through the morning. Some mistiness too across parts of Northern Ireland and Northern England, but some glimmers of sunshine from the word go. Further south, a bit more in the way of cloud across the southern half of the country, particularly towards the southeast. A grey start here with one or two showers across eastern parts of Norfolk and Kent too. Wales and the southwest of England starting the day with some bright intervals, but reasonably cloudy skies in general across many central and eastern parts of the country. Further north and west, that's where we'll have the lion's share of the sunniest spells developing. Temperature-wise, still rather cool for the time of year. Highs ranging between around about 10 in Aberdeen to perhaps 14 across the London region. It should stay dry for both of our World Cup quarter-final games on Saturday afternoon and evening. Fairly cloudy, rather cool as we move through into the evening hours of Saturday. But some late brightness for Saturday evening across the northwestern half of the country in particular. Still fairly cloudy for southern, central and eastern parts of England overnight into Sunday with a few showers. But away from this region, once again, another chilly night. So single figures across many areas, and in the countryside once again, those temperatures perhaps a degree or so either side of freezing across northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland. So a chilly start to Sunday. Not quite as cool, and fog and frost slightly less extensive compared to recent days. Mainly cloudy once again, and top temperatures between around 11 to 15 degrees. Bye for now.